Hello guys and welcome to Taco and Confetti's first gaming or video. We normally do vlogs. We have 3 videos but they're kind of fake. So in today's video my brother will be playing with me. He's just joining now. He plays not on a computer though, but he's gonna get one for his birthday. So today we're gonna be playing Roblox BloxBurg. And I got this new account called Super Sweet Sweetheart. Feel free to friend me. I'm gonna be accepting some. Hold on, do I have my brother as a friend on this? I'm not sure I do. I'm just gonna add him then. His user is Jordan Mumu. Hold on. Yeah, Jordan Mumu, is it? Yeah. What? Jordan. Oh. Jordan, there's Jordan Moo. Oh, there's like 30,000. Oh no. You do have me as a friend. Okay, so I think he'll just join me. Yeah, okay. So, in today's video, I'm not sure if I mentioned, but we will be getting, we'll be trying to get 20k in BloxBurg in the shortest amount of time I can. I don't have the best house right now either. My other house is on my other account called Twilight Princess. Excuse that. So yes, let's begin. Oh, little messy potato's here. Hey, little messy potato. Oh no. See guys, this is what it's like. I need donations. So, yes, this is horrifying. I've set this all up and like, you don't have to donate, it's just there. Oh no, I can't even shower. Jordan, can I like come to your house? I only have a bike. And that costed me like £5,000. Actually, my brother doesn't really even have a house. He's nervous to like speak in front of the camera. He doesn't know how to pay bills. You go to the mailbox. And click pay bills. This is kind of boring. So I'm just gonna go to his house. And then we're gonna, you know. His house is, super cool. Super cool. It just doesn't have any furniture. And, you'll know what I mean. And you'll understand what I mean. Once you see it. And I like the new, update that they did on the game. Trying to look for his house. Oh, there it is. You know, the update where you can like boost your gardening skill? Like, it's a gardening skill? I like that. Okay, Jordan, I'm here. Jordan! This is his house. Jordan, I want to do a tour. Get out of build mode. Okay, ready? He's gonna do the tour with me. Let's go in. So this is his house. I built it for him because he didn't know how to build, but this was gonna be the entrance and it costed like $4,000, so he doesn't know how to delete it. And I've been too lazy to delete it for him, so I'm gonna try and delete it for him now. Okay, John, give me permissions. No. You click on me. What? Oh. John, can I have $100? Please, I will pay you back. It's just for my bill so me and you, actually, can get our, needs up. Because mine are all on 0, and I don't have any BloxBurgs. Thank you, Jordan. Okay, come with me. Come with me. Okay, shut your doors. Why didn't you just go through the door? Okay, hold on. I'll just teleport to my house. And then I'll invite you. So just do whatever you want for now. So, seriously, stop giving me money. If you give me any more money, I'm gonna flip out. Don't. How much? Oh, seriously, now you have $0. He donated me all of his money, guys. Actually, I'm gonna let him talk for a second. Oh, he doesn't want to. Just say hi. Come on. People aren't gonna think that you're real. People are gonna think that I'm crazy. Well, you're gonna have to say hi. Hi, guys. Okay, that was him. He was too nervous to say anything else. But guys, I'm not crazy. Okay, Jordan, I'm gonna invite you now. Ready? Okay, are you coming? Okay, so we're gonna go and try and just get our needs up, and then we'll, do the thing for you guys. Like, by thing, I mean get the money. Not like criminals. It sounds like it's raining. Who's at my home? I wonder. Someone stinky. Oh, is this Poke Digger? Is this Poke Digger? Hi. Jordan, come in. What are you doing? Oh god, that's loud. Oh. Oh no. Poke Digger left. Okay, come in. Okay, Jordan, just get up all your needs. Oh. Jordan, look, I made this cake and it wobbles. Come and get it. Come and get it. Oi! Dude, no, that's my cake! Put it down. Otherwise, I'll kick you out. What are you doing? You just got rid of my cake! That costed money, you know. Okay, go, do whatever you want. What? You're weird. Okay, I made food. This time you're not going to. You noob. Seriously, give it back. Stop! You keep on wasting my money. Whatever, I'm smarter than you think. Oh yeah, I'm eating hamburgers. What you gonna do now? You can't get rid of my food, and you are trapped in here. No, just get your moods up. We're gonna stop. You're so misbehaved. Almost done. Okay, then let's watch it. Well, reading a book. Sorry guys for the wait. We'll go to work early. Sorry, I'm not talking to you guys. I'm just talking to him. Apparently he was all done and like he didn't need anything. I just got a shower. He can't get out, that's right. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now, let's use the shower. Almost there. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, that one. No, go. Just choose one that you like. I know the one that gives you the most money though. It's this one here. I'm just talking to my brother, guys. When it sounds like I'm saying nonsense, I'm talking to my brother. Okay. John. This one. Click X on the bucket. Okay, now, oh wait. Okay. Now he's giving me that face because he wanted to work at the janitor's, place. Now he's throwing pens everywhere. Stop. So you know how it works, right? Okay, I think he does. Oh, the rain's super loud. Ooh. Okay, guys, the timer has officially started. I'm gonna try and get 20k. If the video's too long, I'm gonna try and just get 5k because I had to get up my needs.